Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready for a rootin' tootin' good time in the kitchen as we whip up some scrumptious candy apples. These treats are perfect for fall festivals, Halloween parties, or just a sweet tooth-satisfying kind of day. Candy apples take me right back to my childhood. Today, we will recreate those memories. Let the fun begin. Today, we're going to make 3 different kinds of candy apples: classic red, decadent dark chocolate, and fun and festive fruity pebbles. You are in for a real treat. Before we get started, let's gather up all the goodies we need to create these candy apple masterpieces. Don't you worry, we're sticking to simple ingredients that you can find at your local grocery store. For our candy apple adventure, we'll need 6 large, firm apples. Granny Smith or Honeycrisp work great. 3 cups granulated sugar, 1 cup light corn syrup, half a cup of water, 1 teaspoon red food coloring or whatever color matches your candy apple dreams, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 6 wooden popsicle sticks, parchment paper, and a whole lot of love for candy apples. All right, partners, it's time to get our hands dirty and create some candy apple magic. Just follow these easy-peasy steps, and you'll be a candy apple pro in no time. First things first, give those apples a good wash and dry them off real good. We want that candy coating to stick. Then, twist out those stems and replace them with our trusty popsicle sticks. In a medium saucepan, combine the sugar, corn syrup, and water. Stir it up over medium heat until the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar is all melted, clip on your candy thermometer and let that mixture come to a boil. Don't stir, just let it work its magic. We're aiming for 290 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the sweet spot for that perfect candy coating. Once the candy mixture reaches the right temperature, carefully remove it from the heat. Stir in your food coloring and vanilla extract. Now, be careful. That candy coating is hot. Section 4. Classic Candy Apple Charm. Now that our candy coating is ready, let's create some classic candy apple magic. First, gently dip each apple into the hot candy coating, swirling it around to ensure every inch is coated. Once the apple is fully coated, allow any excess candy to drip back into the pot. Then, place the coated apple on a parchment-lined baking sheet to cool and harden. And there you have it. A classic red candy apple that's bursting with sweet nostalgia. Section 5. Dive into decadent dark chocolate. Who can resist the allure of rich, decadent dark chocolate? Let's take our candy apple game up a notch with this irresistible variation. While the classic candy apples cool, let's melt some dark chocolate. You can use a double boiler or the microwave, whichever you prefer. Just make sure to stir it frequently to avoid scorching. Once your dark chocolate is smooth and melted, drizzle it generously over your cooled classic candy apples. You can get creative with your drizzling technique: zigzags, swirls, or even a chocolate waterfall. While the chocolate is still wet, sprinkle a pinch of sea salt on top for a sweet and salty flavor explosion. Allow the chocolate to set completely, and then get ready to experience a candy apple like no other. Section 6. Explore the fun of Fruity Pebbles. Let's add a burst of color and crunch with these fun and festive Fruity Pebbles candy apples. Pour a generous amount of Fruity Pebbles onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. While the candy coating on your classic apple is still warm and gooey, gently roll it in the Fruity Pebbles, pressing lightly to ensure they stick. Repeat with the remaining apples and get ready to experience a party in every bite. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.